How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here today at Simpson Motors for the Club Clan Cars and Coffee meet and the unveiling of Brian Simpson's new venture, which is Thor Custom Vehicles. So he's got this brand new Defender in there that he's designed. We'll have a wee look around here and see all the cars that have arrived for the meet. Let's take a walk. We've got this stunning M2 first of all. You've seen this one before, obviously, so we'll not spend too much time on it, but Greg's come along with the M2, show it off to everyone, and then see what else there is. This crazy, huge Q7? Q8? Q7. RS Q7? SQ7, correct me. V8 turbo, big thing. It's wrapped, I'm not sure what that colour is, it's kind of like liquid yellow, but it's a bit of a monster. I think he's had the thing sitting here running almost all day, but it's a bit of a whip. This is probably my favourite car here. The AMG GTR V8 twin turbo monster. It's got the wing, it's got all the bits, carbon stuff. Very hot, very into that. Then right next to it is Brian's very own Tesla. And this like kind of funky, it looks mad, but it's actually got a wee kind of iridescent thing going on as well. The set of awesome wheels, carbon bits, cool car for a Tesla. First like big mod Tesla I've seen. You can sort of see the crazy colour in the light there actually when the sun hits it. It's kind of oil slick style. And he's got the crazy fighter jet steering wheel, which is pretty mad. Looks a bit scary.
Yeah.
Like I seen a video of one crash the other day and the guy was like, you know, you couldn't thread the wheel, kind of grab it. It's a bit strange. Very nice Z4 Coupe here, also one you'll have seen before, with some boring wheels on it. But yeah, this thing's very sick. Look at that. You tell I like coupes, don't you? Like 2-seaters, long bonnets. What else have we got? A Golf. A Fiesta with some bits. This again, probably one of my favourite cars here. This little Sunbeam kind of, I don't know, can't remember what it was called. It's basically the fast version of a helmet imp, the owner was saying. So I believe he's just kind of finished building it. It's really sick. It's got a set of Corby buckets in it, harnesses, rear seat delete, if ever, must add rear seats I guess. All the kind of racy bits like pop-off steering wheel, no idea what kind of power is in them. Can't imagine it needs too much. It's probably a really light, fun little car anyway. It looks like a go-kart. A nice set of wheels, I don't know what they are, they look kind of like old ATCs. Oh, they're original Alley Cats, they are too. Which is very sick. OG. And what else have we got? Let's take a walk this way. A nice E92 M3. Just always a good looking car, these. They've aged beautifully, still hold good money. Great track car, it's got the carbon roof, carbon mirrors, kind of CS wheels. Nice. F-Type. Very into these still. Like again, they've aged really well. Be a nice upgrade from the Z4. Very expensive one. Then there's this, which is again probably I think top 3 cars here. This little Cosworth, really sick, really clean. We were just chatting with the owner. He's only had it a few months. But he said he spent a fair bit of time getting it to this kind of level. So yeah, really hot. It's got loads of carbon bits, carbon handles. Little carbon spoiler thing, really nice carbon splitter on the front. It's got the Compomotive wheels. It's actually got a nice set of brakes behind these as well, so there's AP Racing calipers and nice big discs on the front and Wellwood rears actually, which is pretty hot. No idea kind of what power these things put out, but they're cool anyway. Never been a huge Ford guy, but I like these. So yeah, this thing's pretty hot. Really nice inside as well, the interior is immaculate, the rear seats don't look like they've ever been used. Neither does the passenger seat, driver's side, very light use, so God knows what he's done. What else have we got? Some really nice bits, M4 over there, GTR, big RS6. Actually quite a cool Peugeot 208, I'm actually quite into those now. Nice Cayman again, good looking car.
Good looking van.
GR Supra, yeah, really hot van. Nice new Supra. This is obviously from a dealer, Struan, wherever the hell that is. Should probably know. But yeah, actually, oh, it's in Dundee. That answers that question. But yeah, GR Supra, cool car. Like, really like the style of these. Obviously, it's kind of like the new Z4, isn't it? It's like the new Z4 Coupe, effectively, because they didn't do a coupe of the Z4. But no, into that. A very bright M6. I think it's the M6. Does it say M6 on the back? Or is it debadged? Oh, it does. He's kept the badge. Obviously, M people keep the badges. Yeah, very bright green M6 with some deep wheels. No idea what they are or what brand. I can't even read that. Vorsteiner? Is that a thing? I feel like I've heard that before. But yeah, pretty crazy. Don't see a lot of M6s. A Lupo GTI. Very sick whip.
Your favourite?
Love a Lupo GTI. Love a Lupo in general. This is just, yeah, pretty used Lupo GTI. It's nice though. Carbon spoiler, which is kind of hot. Carbon bits here. I get the impression this has been like either an ex-show car or it's a show car in the build, because just some of the bits going on with it, it's kind of got things that aren't standard, but it's nice. What else have we got? A matte red M5, which I see this drive around quite a lot. The guy must be local, but unusual, kind of cool. M5s are just nice big whips. There's a McLaren 720S in a nice purple colour, I guess. Is it blue? It's purple, right? Purple? Calling it purple. Yeah, nice 720S, big whip. Probably the biggest whip here in terms of power and value. Yeah, I have no idea who this is. Don't know a whole lot about them. I know they're fast, really fast, and really expensive, but nice thing. Like it. Bright green Mustang with some stripes on it. Still quite like these. Not sure I would buy one, but I like them. What else? We've got a nice big S-Class that just rocked up. And a nice C63 Coupe, which I'm still a fan of as well. I think they've aged pretty well. It's a slightly older one, but hot car. And they sound incredible. And that's kind of the loop. There was a few things here earlier that I've left. There was a brand new GT3, which we just missed. We only stayed for like 5 minutes. And there's some stuff inside. So we'll maybe go and get a coffee and have a look inside. There's also pizza. We'll take a look at the Defender, or will we take a look at some of the stuff for sale? We'll point at it. So let's have a look. This is the new Thor custom vehicles. Defender, first one. So this is a new venture of Brian's, sort of designing and building these custom Defenders. We're going to take a look at this later on in detail, and we'll have a proper video out of that another time, but it's pretty cool. Yeah. And then there's some stuff for sale. So this is actually the showroom. Might as well have a little gander. Nice Focus RS, a TTS, which we've recognised, another Tesla, Brian's a fan of now, a Boxer 718, really into those. Prefer Cayman, but I think that's nice, really that spec, classy with a red roof. Another F-Type, again, very hot. We've actually got like the only other modified car in here, which is John's GTD, I believe. Which yeah, is really nice. I've done a photo shoot on this before, so you've probably seen it. But yeah, really nice car, really well built. Really sick BBS splits, which I meant to, I can't remember the name of the model, but they're 20s and they're cool. CHRs maybe, yeah. They're hot, Lambo brakes. Big boot build stuff going on, cool car. And there's a really nice coffee thing over here as well, which is hot. I think that's about all the cool stuff here. But yeah, it's been a cool day. There's been loads of people turned up. Just pretty busy. Enjoyed ourselves though. Looking forward to seeing this Defender in detail. Like I say, we'll be doing another video on that later on. So if you come back to the channel, you can check that out. But yeah, as usual, thanks to everyone for having us. Thanks for watching. Like our channel, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and tell us what your favourite car was below. Catch you in the next one.